In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the edit history in Google Sheets. This feature can be incredibly useful, especially when collaborating on documents with others. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward once you know where to look. First things first, open up Google Sheets in your browser and select the spreadsheet you want to review. It could be one you've been working on alone or one shared with colleagues. Once your spreadsheet is ready, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a little icon that looks like a clock with an arrow circling around it. This is the last edit icon, vital for tracking changes. Clicking this icon will reveal a new side panel that slides over from the right. This is your version history. Think of it as a timeline for your document, showcasing all past edits. Each entry is time-stamped, providing a clear picture of who made what changes and exactly when they did it. This can be particularly helpful if you need to understand how decisions evolved over time or if you need to pinpoint what might have caused a change in data or formulas. Next, notice how the entries in the version history have different colors and notes indicating who made each edit. If you're in a shared spreadsheet, this makes it easy to see contributions from different team members. Each person is assigned a unique color that highlights their changes. This color coding is instrumental in keeping track of various edits made by multiple contributors, making collaboration transparent and easier to manage. Now, let's say you want to focus on a specific set of changes. Click on any entry in the version history to view a snapshot of your document at that point in time. This allows you to closely examine edits without affecting the current version of your spreadsheet. It's like having a little time machine for your data, letting you see how everything looked before making any new changes. If you decide that a previous version is better, or if you need to undo specific alterations, Google Sheets has you covered. Simply navigate to the version you wish to restore, and at the top of the panel, you'll see the option to restore this version. Clicking that will revert your document back to the selected version. This is an excellent way to easily recover from mistakes or explore different project directions without risk. In conclusion, mastering the edit history in Google Sheets empowers you with greater control and insight into your collaborative processes. It not only aids in monitoring changes, but also in effective project management. Remember, frequent review of your edit history can immensely enhance both your workflow and team communication. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.